Wagwan family, today I share with you how I make my jerk chicken ramen noodle soup. So first I put the ramen noodle to boil, then I shred the jerk chicken, add some olive oil to the pot, saute some onions, some ginger, some garlic. Now I add my chicken broth, add some baby pop choy and carrots. Here add some scallions, a teaspoon of jerk seasoning, a cup of coconut milk. I add the jerk chicken. Make it come to a boil, I add one pepper. To the bowl, I add the ramen noodle. Then I add the soup on top. Look at that. Now I garnish with some sweet pepper and scallion and zap. Look at that, my people. So check it out. The full ingredients below the video. Peace out.